Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Yahoo Fantasy Football app. As you can see, we have the app already downloaded and you'll need to do that as well. Once you have it downloaded, you're going to open the app. And assuming it's your first time, you will have to sign up or log in if you have an account already. Now this is what Yahoo Fantasy app looks like. However, we're trying to show you how you can use the Fantasy Football app. Now this is embedded in the Fantasy app. At the top right there, you can see Add League, and at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon right there. Also, then at the second level, you can see different sports. You can see football, baseball, basketball, and hockey, right? And of course, our interest is in football, so we're going to tap on football, and these are leagues that we have created or have joined, right? So your leagues will be displayed on this page. Now at the bottom, you can see home, news, and scores. Home is the default page, and then when you tap on news, you will be seeing news from other sports, football included, and of course you can see some information there on football. Then of course you could go to scores, and then it's going to show you scores. These are top scores, but at the top you can see the NFL, NBA, NHL, and MLB. Of course, our interest is in the NFL, and this is where you can find the score lines or the scores for football, right? So we're going to go back home, and here we are once again. So you want to make sure that you're also on the football tab to ensure that that's what you're currently on, right? So we have the option at the top right corner to add league. Now, when you tap on add league, you might get fantasy baseball, right? And at the top here, you can see the icons for the different sports. We're going to tap on the first one and it takes you to fantasy football, right? And that's what we want to be. You have the option to join a league or create a league. So that's where you can actually go ahead and join existing leagues or create leagues that you want to have on your own. But do take note that creating a league gives you the responsibility of owning the league and other perks and responsibilities that follow along with it. We have some leagues that we've joined, and as we mentioned, these are the leagues that we're going to be finding right here. So if you have multiple leagues that you're joining, that's where you're going to find it. So of course, when you have a league and the league is currently on, you could tap on the league and you're going to see 4 tabs. You have your team, your matchup, the players, and the league, right? It's also going to let you know when the league will be starting and other information pertaining to the league, right? So currently we have our team, which we have already drafted, and you can see your players. You can see those who are on the bench, and you can see the start suggestions, and you could of course make use of them. You also have the research assistant, which helps you to provide research analysis on players at a glance. For example, if we say we want to have research assistant, it's going to ask us to select a player. So if we want to say Jay Daniels, it's going to give us details about Jay Daniels. You can see overview, game log, stats, etc. And of course, you have a picture of Jay Daniels right there, right? Of course, at the bottom here, you have the drop and watch options for you to make use of. So this is pretty much what we can do with our Yahoo Fantasy Football app, and we hope you can go ahead and have some fun with it. Let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.